Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll dive into this wonderful world of organic tomato farming and harvesting process. If you are a gardener or fruit lover or just curious about where your tomato come from, this video is for you. I am here on a organic tomato farming in Australia, which is surrounded by this greenhouse. And I can't wait to show you the process from planting to harvesting. Let's start the beginning. The first step is the organic tomato farming is choose the right varieties and preparing the soil. You will want to select the desired resistance tomato varieties that develop into your climate. Ensure the soil is well drained and rich the organic matter. The organic farming means take care of your plant without harmful chemical. The farmer use the natural method and using the beneficial insect to maintaining a healthy environment. The regular crop or staking are crucial to support the tomato plant as their growth. Keep a close eye on watering and remember tomato need consistent moisture but don't like wet feet. Even in a organic farming, pest and infection can be challenging. In our description box we show you how we deal with them. We use the neem oil and composition planting and other natural method to protect our tomato plant. It's a sustainable way to keep our crop healthy. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, when our tomato reap and harvested. Tomato are ready when they are fully colored and slightly soft to touch and gently twist to pull to harvest. And make sure to handle them with care to prevent discolor. Once we have harvested our tomato, we have a few options. We can eat them freshly and preserve them, or make delicious dessert like homemade tomato sauce. That's a wrap on our organic tomato farming and harvesting journey. I hope you are enjoying this learning about this process and the sustainable practice we use. If you have any question or want to more details on a specific aspect, please leave them in a comment below. We are hoping that you enjoying this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until the next time, happy gardening. Thanks again.